No, wait a minute. Do you understand the difference before we go on?
Yes.
Are you sure?
X times X.
This is why I like the boxes, because it's visual.
Okay, thanks a lot, Mrs. Clark. So you just shot me down, huh?
I like my visual. I like my visual method.
Then do you understand why it's not 2x, it's x squared? Okay.
In this high school algebra class, notice how Jim and Alicia play off of each other and can use their different teaching styles to keep the students engaged.
Now, I just got to go ahead and see if anybody in the world here remembers how to do this. John, I'm not, no, huh? Okay, well, which way do you want to use, the box or the foil? Oh, who wants to try the box?
John always has to do the box. Oh, he can do it then, never mind.
Now, I'm going to ask you to lead me through this. We're going to have him lead through the boxes, and then on the
Who'd
next
you
one we'll
pick,
try
John?
Mr. Madison.
Madison?
Yeah. Okay, tell me.
All right, first do first.
Squared plus 5x.
Oh, you can't do that.
Good. Okay, good job.
Thomas. I like my visual method. We all know that, right? Okay, because I can actually make my boxes and put x plus 3 here and x plus 2 on top so I can see it. And I know what I need to do is just multiply the 2 on each box and put it in the inside. So what are we going to put in the first box? It is a process. I think I've taught with Jim and Bart, and next year I'm going to start with Coanne. I think it takes time. It takes years to get the rapport and get the knowledge alone. I mean, learning the algebra and the geometry and the things I've had to learn to teach the class was a lot of work.
Teaming has several advantages. For example, if the teachers have a good chemistry, they can bounce ideas off of each other and really make lessons interesting. They also can use this approach when the material is complex or when they'd like to show students 2 different approaches for the instruction. One other use of teaming is when there is an issue, perhaps something in social studies, when there are different points of view. Each teacher can represent a point of view and the material can be presented clearly. But there's a little bit of a caution in order as well. Teaming, of course, is large group instruction, and so a little bit of instructional intensity is sometimes lost if groupings are not used, at least occasionally. In addition, if the teachers are not able to get that flow going, to go back and forth, this perhaps might not be the best model for them to choose.
-4. Now I still add my like terms, right?
Oh, how do you know you do that all the time?
Because we've been doing that all the time. Because they're the same. And because they're catty-quarter to each other on my boxes.
Because they're catty-cornered. Okay, there you go.